Hey everyone, it's Miranda. Today we are going to pop off my dip that I put on Monday. It's now Friday. And I meant to do this last night, but I actually ended up catching a stomach bug. So I had to wait. But I put the Sparkle & Co. Luxe Peel Base underneath my dip. So I have a video on that, but I'm just gonna basically stick this little tool under the edge and kind of just work it up a little bit. And I'm, sitting here trying to be fancy with the tool, but in real life, I honestly would just pick this off with my nail. So let's try that. But it does need to be a little bit loosened up, so I'm kind of wiggling it. It's more attached here on the edges, because when I applied this, then I only put a swipe down the center, and I left the perimeter around the nail bare. But, oh, look, boom. And I'll focus so you can see my nail looks pretty good. This one I did yesterday at the office, and then I told myself I would wait so that I could show you all, but that one came off pretty good. I'll use this little tool. This is just from the drugstore. It's by Revlon. It's like a little, I don't know, some kind of tool for nails that I thought I needed. So I'm just kind of wiggling it. I'm not forcing anything. I'm being gentle. So don't tear off your actual real nail. Just kind of wiggle it a little bit. This one was still pretty good on there. Then once you kind of get on the edge, you just, that one looks like it took a little bit of, kind of looks like a little rough right there. But honestly, whenever I soak in the acetone, my nails feel really weak and gross, and just my hands are so dry after. I don't mind if it just takes like a little bit of or leaves them a little dry there. I honestly don't think that looks bad. All things considered, I think acetone's way worse. Okay, I'm gonna pop this one off. That one came nice and easy. So they're just coming off in whole pieces like this. It's my little collection so far. So that's 3, because I popped my middle one off yesterday at the office. Here's my new little friends. They come off just perfectly. And then this is the last one I'm going to do, because you get the point. This one had no lifting. So this is day 6. I did these Sunday. I think I said Monday earlier. I meant that I posted a video Monday. If I wasn't clear about that. But Sunday is when I did this manicure, and it's Friday, and it's holding on strong. But I really didn't want to soak. Okay, this one is on a little bit better, so I'm going to lift it from the side. There it goes. Boom. Okay. So here we go. That one looks like maybe a few layers lifted, but honestly, whenever I did this last time and it looked like that, as soon as it hydrated, it disappeared. So just my nails are dehydrated underneath the dip, which helps them hold. But let me wet them real quick, and you can see. So that's what they look like after. I mean, no damage on this, maybe a little bit on this one. I probably could have done a better job putting the peel base on this side. I think when I did it, I just went more here. And so this one, you know, it's really minimal. It just will flake off a little bit. Oh, look. Basically, this nail is still great. And I don't think that soaking in acetone would have been any better for this nail, honestly. So I would definitely say 5 out of 5 stars if you want to try this out. All right, thanks ladies, thanks for watching.